can see from here, the entire city was built. This was actually the very first time that I'm here as a market. Back in the so guys, you see the breakfast was well over 1,000. In every city, we had a monarch. And the monarch quickly understood that this place has Toto in French, ten in Greek, Italian, Hebrew, Japanese, Polish. Chin chin. I'll tell you. By putting a lot of dynamite in front of the main gate. Out of nowhere, a small kid appeared. Saw the bomb. See where I'm going with this? So with complete accuracy of a 4-year-old boy, that never happens, he peed over the fuse of the dynamite, thus saving the city. So apparently, what does the city do if you save it? They're gonna build a monument of the heroic act.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
But sometimes he pees beer and wine and it's for free.
So I think there's gonna be again a gathering as it was like that. It's gonna be nice if you are here to go during the shoot period. So thankfully we use this now. The thing is, in 2004 it received the Guinness World Records for the bar with the biggest variety of beer. In 2004 they served 2004 beer. Today's 2018. How many beers do we have?
2018.
Okay, this is physically possible. 2018.
Quality backlighting right there.
Let's go.
You're looking at the episode, weren't you?
Cathedral. You all know who St. Michael is. He's the archangel, the fun devil.
Yeah, the big church on the in the back. I don't know if it's a church. I'm just guessing.
Hello. So gather. It's a photo for grab a cappuccino for $3.50 and enjoy one of the 6 beautiful planets.
Welcome to frigid Belgique in the city of Brussels. It looks pretty, and it is, but damn, it is froid. Or as you would say back home, kalt.
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 Eiskalt.
Eiskalt?
Eiskalt.
You know what's cooler than being cool in German? Eiskalt.
Eiskalt.
Alright. Chocolate here. Christina's having a good time. We're back at Grand Place, and never call it Grand Palace, because that is not a palace, nor is it a church. That is City Hall. That's why you go on the tour.
Yeah. To learn all these things. And to know that
Yeah, to get all the information.
And to find out that only one store here is really original from the beginning of the buildings, and it's not Starbucks.
Where's Starbucks?
No, beep. Advertising.
Oh, the Seattle kingdom over there.
Yes, it is. What is it? What is the only one left?
Well, let's see. Let's look around. It's not the Belgian chocolates. That's a good guess, though, but no. No. The original bakery here? That actually is an original bakery, not a joke. Maybe it's one of these gold things.
It is?
Wait, hang on. What's up? That golden horse must mean something.
Yeah.
Wait a sec. Maison de Brasseur? The wind is telling me I'm correct. Am I correct?
Are you?
Yes, I am. That's why I'm saying this. Yes, the only original union that's still in this square, represented by these wonderful buildings of all the 48 unions or so she mentioned before, are the Brewers.
Yeah.
I mean, let's get real. Beer isn't just a drink, it's more of a lifestyle if you do it the right way. None of that Budweiser Heineken crap. Anyway, we're going on the Heineken tour in a couple days. That's going to be fun too. By craft. Or Belgian. If it's made by monks.